Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to create 3D logo mockup in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to never miss any update. So, let's start. First download the mockup file from the link given in video description. After downloading, extract the zip file. Now, open the PSD file in the folder. Double-click on the top layer to open it in separate file. Now, drag and drop your logo image in Photoshop. Right-click on the logo image, and then click on Rasterize Layer. Select the Magic Wand tool, and then start selecting the white background in the logo. Once the selection is done, then press Delete. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now, turn off the bottom layer. Go to File and click on Save. Now, go to the main file and see the changes. You can also add hue and saturation layer to adjust the color shades of the file like this. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.